Let us do now sum number 19. This is the rough diagram I have drawn. Triangle ABC 60 degrees. So here I have drawn 60 degree. BABC 8. So BABC 8 rough diagram I am showing you. The midpoint of BABC, M and N. Draw the and discuss the locus of a point which is equidistant from BABC. That means we have to bisect angle B. The common angle is B, that is why. 4 centimeter from M, 4 centimeter from N. So let us do this one at first. I am doing it. First we have to take one 8 centimeter line. So let us take one 8 centimeter line, 0 to 8. This is 8 centimeter line. Now at this is B and this is C and this is 8 centimeter. Now at the point B we have to draw one 60 degree. Every one of you know how to draw 60 degrees. Still I am showing you. This is the technique. Without changing the arc, it will be 60 degree. You join this to get 60 degree. So I am writing this as 60 degree. Now this measure you take BC measure to get A. If you cut, see, if you cut, then you will get A point here. This is 8 centimeter. Now you join AC. So we have got ABC is a triangle where ABC is 60 degree. Now we have to take 2 points M and N. It is M on BA. We can bisect this, or 4 centimeter we can take the middle point of this, that is 8 centimeters are there. So 4 centimeter we can take. So this is M. Similarly 4 centimeter you take here. This is N. So this way you can take, or you can bisect this side and that side. Again it is telling that we have to draw the locus which is equidistant from BABC. BABC. So BABC. Which one is common? B. So you have to bisect angle B. You know how to bisect. Still I am showing you. Draw one arc from here and draw one arc from here also. Now join this. If you join, see here, this is the locus equidistant from BABC. BABC. Then next one is what is that? 4 centimeter from M and 4 centimeter from N. So, BC is here, 4 centimeter, it is not there. M point is not there. M point is here. BC. Here it is M point. M and this is N. This is N, not this one. Then it is telling that 4 centimeter from M and 4 centimeter from N. So 4 centimeter you take, this is 4 centimeter. So from M you cut taking this 4 centimeter. This is 4. So from N also you cut taking 4 centimeter, and from M also you cut taking 4 centimeters. So this is which point? This is the point, required point. Draw and describe the locus of a point which is. So mark the point P. So I am marking this point as P. Then and equidistant from BABC, join MP and NP So MP and NP you join. See, I am joining MP. NP also I am joining. So this is the locus. Then what is the question is asking? That describe the figure BMPN. So what is the figure? What is the name of this figure? Let me check. 4, 4. This one also 4, this one also 4. All sides are equal. Therefore BMPN is a rhombus. That's all.